Good morning, girls. In this video, we'll do how to write the output of any given expression or code. Okay. Now, suppose the question is if value of p is 12. You have been given the value of p. P is initially 12. Then the result of the expression p plus plus, this is post increment operator. Okay. Plus 20. What will be the output of this? What will be the value of this? Value of this expression. Okay. So now we will calculate p plus 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 20. P plus plus. Okay. Increment operator after operand means post increment. What is the rule of post increment? Use then change. Okay. So use the value of p first, means the value of p is initially 12. So 12. So p will be, here we will be writing 12, but just after this the p will be 13 plus 1. But the rule is for post increment, use then change. So you will use the current value, that is 12. Okay, plus 20. So answer will be 20, 30, 32. Okay, fine. Now suppose I am changing this expression like this: p plus 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 p plus 20. Okay. Now what will be the output of this? P plus plus, again initially p is 12. Okay. This is one expression, this is the second. If the expression is this, so p plus plus, p is initially 12. So use then change. Now after writing 12, after using the current value, the p will become 13. So here the value of p will be, p is now 13. Okay, p was initially 12, 12 plus 1, 13, but you will be using the current value, use then change. So the value will be changed after using 12. So p 13 plus 20. Okay, so 20, 30, 40, 45. The answer will be 45. Okay, and suppose plus plus p plus again p plus 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 10. Now suppose this is the expression, third example, and the value is initially same 12. So for this is pre-increment. You will be changing the value first, you will be using the changed value. Okay, change then use. In post increment or decrement, for minus minus also you will be applying the same thing. Okay, in that you will be subtracting by 1, and this you will be adding 1. Okay, so plus plus p means change then use. So change the value first, plus 1 means 13 plus p plus plus. Now use then change, use 13, after that p will become 14. Okay, अगर इसके बाद हमें p लिखना होता, the value of p will be 14 after writing this. Okay, but we have to add 10. Okay, so the answer will be 36. 13, 13, 26, then 10, 36. Now come to ternary operator. What will be the output of following expression? The value of z you have to give if the value of x is 5 and y is 10 initially. Okay, so put the values. X 5 is greater than 10. Okay, you need not to write this in your copy in fair. Okay, you can do the rough work and you will be writing the answer here. Okay, so 5 is greater than 10. Then 5x plus y is, I am just doing this for solving this expression. Okay, plus 10, else 5 into 10. This is equals to z. Whatever the answer we will be getting from this expression, we will be having that value within z. That will be the answer. So 5 is greater than 10. I told you that the first operand ternary operator, question mark followed by colon. Here you will be writing the first operand, that will be expression or condition. If the condition is true, the operand 2, here you will be writing second operand, third. If the condition is true, this will happen. If false, this will happen. Okay, so 5 is greater than 10? No, condition is false. Then what will be the output? This 5 into 10 means 50. So 50 will be stored within Z. And now suppose the answer will be, in this case the answer will be 50. Now suppose I make this 5 15. So 15 is greater than 10? Yes. Then in that case answer will be this. If the condition is true, this will be the answer, 15. Okay. Now come to the next thing. What will be the output of this code? If n remainder 2 double equals to 0. Now suppose the value of n is 10. If n is 10, what will be the output of this? If you have to write the output. Okay. So put the value 10 remainder 2. What will be the remainder? 0. Okay. So what will be the output? This one. If condition is true, this will be the answer. Otherwise, this will. And in this case, if condition is true, means if n is 10, means condition is true, then you will be getting the output whatever you have written in if. Exactly you will be writing that, even. Only even. If I have written even only, then the output will be even. If I will be writing even number, then you will be writing even number in the output. Okay. And suppose I am giving the number, the value of n is 11, then the answer will be odd number. Okay. Now suppose you have to convert this code I have written using if else statement. You have to write this using ternary operator. Very simple. This will be the operand 1, operand 2, operand 3. Okay. Condition or expression will be operand 1. X is greater than y. What you have to do? X. Then the answer will be x. Otherwise the answer will be y. And in which variable you have to store? G. Okay. If int is written over there, then you should write int also. Okay. Like this. Now suppose you have to convert this ternary to if else. Again, this will be the condition of if x is greater than y. What you have to do in if condition? G equals to x, else G equals to y. Okay. You can be asked for this to choose the correct answer of the output.